Here I'm going to show how to find mean using formula, TI calculator, and Excel. First, let's look at finding mean using formula. So the formula for mean is sum of x over n. Sum of x is sum of all data values and n is number of data values. So when we add all the data values, all these data, we get 85.5, and there are 11 data values. So I got this 11 from here. So when you count these data values, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's where the 11 comes from. Okay, now divide 8.5 by 11. We get 7.77. So that's the mean for the given data. Now let's find the mean using TI calculator. So let me pull up my calculator on the screen. Now we need to enter the given data in the calculator. So in order to enter the data in calculator, go to stat. Now hit enter. Okay, so now I will put all the data on my list 1. So it is 8.5, 8, 6, 7.5, 7, 9.5, 9.5, 6.5, 6, 8.5, and another 8.5. Now, once we are done with entering data, we need to go to stat, then use your arrow key to highlight calc. Okay, and here make sure your one variable stats is highlighted, then hit enter. Okay, and on your list make sure you have list 1 because that's where we enter our data. Then now hit enter. Okay, so this will give us our mean. So this is what we had for our mean when we use the formula. Now let me show how to find mean using Excel. Okay, so in here we need to enter our data. So our data is 8.5, 8, 6, 7.5, 7, 9.5, 9.5, 6.5, 6, 8.5, and 8.5. So now in order to find mean, type in equals, then type average, okay, then type your parentheses, then go to your data and highlight the data. Okay, so now close your parentheses, then hit enter. Okay, so this is what we got for mean. And remember, this is the same number that we got for mean using formula and TI calculator.